today's video, guys. As you can see from the beginning, I'm trying to make this video aesthetic, so I need to be calm and chilled as possible. So I hope you like this video. Less talking, more on montage, char.
Ready pure matcha cream frappuccino for Samantha. Thank you.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body.
Look, right now we're here at the grocery store and I'm searching for my sister, but let's go. Oh, that's my favorite stick. Oh, by the way, where is that girl? Oh, here, the yellow green one. I have a basket. I have a basket. I will not iodize salt in my egg because, I can't estimate it. If you're a real chef, you will prefer rock salt than iodized char. Oy, Mr. Cornick, baka naman. Sponsored pepper. No, iodized salt. Rock salt. Let me see. Basin baga ra na siya nga. Ay kani, okay ra ni. Ayaw tong gagmay na jud kaayo, mura na jud powder. Bali oy bisag pagpili kasi dugoy kaayo. Ay nako guys, pagpili paila jud lamang dili kuan. So pumunta lang pala kami dito sa grocery store para bumili ng asin. Is there a strawberry? Oh my god, I finally found the new coffee, guys. The caramel latte, the double latte, and the mocha. I'll try this one. And this one. Yep. The adult will pick coffee on stick. Go, put it in the basket. Bali, oh. When I grow up, I want to be a cashier. Hi guys, we'll buy some eggs. No, there's no prutas na. Kani, walay cheese.
So, with cheese.
Kani.
I need juices or something.
Thank you.
Let me juice now. Cake, come on.
Hey guys, so we have torques for our dinner. Naan. And a mango shake. Hey guys, so we are home. So I'm gonna show you what we got from the mall. So I have this one, and this one from Tough Mama because you know we got boodle by TikTok. We saw this one, and we got it. So this is the multi-cook pot. You can fry, you can boil whatever you want. You can do shabu shabu, and noodles and soup, anything. Let's gonna unbox this thing. Oh, look at this one. It's so cute. This is not sponsored by Tough Mama, but the steamer. And this one. Look how cute and aesthetic this is. And of course, there's a wire. Ta-da! Okay, let's move on. Ta-da! Sicko! Coffee. Corn, tuna, San Marino, chili, and regular one. Salt. The one and only cabbage. And that's all. The mocha coffee and the caramel latte. Aesthetic things you must have. Oh, diba? Aesthetic. So that's all, guys. Last but not the least, guys, these two pillowcase. So this one, this is mine, and this is hers. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.